Chelsea Truck Company shows what they can offer for your Defender 90. The main feature of the kit are the front and rear fender extensions, making the SUV look more aggressive while covering the massive wheels. There are similar parts on the bumper, grille, and side vents continue the same theme all around the vehicle. Bonnet have Kahn lettering, and a spare wheel cover now with Chelsea Truck logo. Traditional Land Rover emblem is still present on the grille. In case of wheels, Chelsea Truck decided to come with a 22-inch Type 57 RS forged alloys. Tuners offers Red Designo leather upholstery for the cabin as well as panoramic glass roof, heated seats, 360-degree cameras, the standard infotainment touchscreen, and the digital instrument panel. In terms of pricing, the pictured Defender 90 will cost you £114,999 or $155,223.